Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm going to show you how you can trade the options on Robinhood platform or Robinhood account. So in order to begin with, first thing first, check your internet connection and then log in into your Robinhood account. The step number one that involves in trade option is that typing the stock name you want to trade in the search box. Now you'll see the interface something like this. The current price of the stock will show in the top left and the price chart appears. You will find information about the company as well. Now for trade option, you'll have to click the trade option located in the right hand side corner. Then you'll be able to see various strike prices of all options. You can click on buy, sell and call put and select the expiry date from the drop down menu as well. You'll need to select the strike price you expect, move until the contracts expire. Now you'll need to click on the plus size near the price to activate the review order box, and after that you need to type in the number of a contract you want to trade and then click on review orders button to place the order. So by default, Robinhood will take the limited order price, that is the bid and ask price average, and with that you've completed the procedure. In this way you can find trading option on Robinhood app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.